What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an audio comparison between how you guys are listening to my voice right now and a new recorder that we just got. We'll have links down in the description below. We got this off of Amazon. It is a Sony brand. There are a couple other devices and we're gonna go into all of the features on this later here in this video. But right now we're just testing out our voice quality.
So this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black that we're using. Right now this is still the GoPro audio. And one thing that we noticed, especially doing reviews, especially in this car, there's a lot of engine noise and a lot of bass that this car produces. And the GoPro especially will kind of adjust for that audio and muffle out voices, especially my voice. I think my voice has a little more bass than yours. This, we're not using it yet. We will do it once we're driving. Hopefully it will be a really good way to have an external microphone to record audio to then, you know, once you're editing a video, play that with the video to where I don't have to rely on the GoPro canceling everything out. I can have something right here listening to me, not hearing every bit of road noise and wind noise.
And we're stationary right now, so we might sound good to the GoPro.
Yeah, audio's so let's go ahead and right now.
Switch to, well, I guess we'll just
crank up the car. So right now, you may or may not be able to notice any difference in the audio given the vehicle is on.
This is a Sony ICD UX560.
Very, very creative name.
Yeah. This was about $80. The other two links that we have in the description below are $30 to $60. I don't remember the exact price range.
Depending on your needs, you know, pick out the one. This one's super thin, as you can tell. There's a hold button that can lock it to where you can't hit any buttons, and it's got a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So for us, it seems to suit our needs. So plugging that in, I can adjust the sensitivity for the microphone. I'm gonna have it on low, which is kind of listening closer to me versus listening out here.
It might muffle me a little bit.
So right now I hit record, I'll just keep it on hold, that way no buttons will accidentally get pressed.
Yeah.
And of course, actually doing a video, this would be like in my pocket, this would be under my shirt. We're just gonna keep it here because we'll probably switch. So right now, let's play the audio clip from here. As of right now, you're gonna hear the bass in the engine as we accelerate. And let's switch to the GoPro audio. So right now, we still have the same bass going with the engine. You can kind of hear the differences if there is anything.
And just talking from a passenger side now, I guess we'll go between both the audio, between that mic and the GoPro, just to see which one is more clear. I'm gonna probably sound muffled listening, hearing me from that recorder versus the GoPro.
And I will say the Hero 7 Black, the audio is very good. It's just when you get to that certain, I don't know, audio level, it just cancels it out and sounds poor. Like when I reviewed the 370Z recently, under higher acceleration, once I got to a certain spot, it got really bad. Slower speed, like when I'm driving the Supra, the audio is great because that car's a lot quieter. So where my audio always gets very crappy is when I'm accelerating, like right now, just getting up to speed, although we now have a car stopping, so hold on. But let's do valves open. This is a very loud straight pipe GTR for you who are not car people. So right now, there's a lot of bass going on. So if we listen to the GoPro right now, it sucks. But if we cut to this, it's probably really good.
Yeah, I'm interested to hear that.
Yeah, this
is definitely loud.
This car, you can just hear in your ears. Like right now, there's a lot of bass going on.
I feel like that's gonna do way better. That's gonna be so much better.
Oh yeah, because I've obviously edited a million videos with the GTR and just the GoPro audio. While the 7 is way better than the other ones I had, it muffles my voice so bad. So right now we're cruising at 53 miles an hour. So if we want to just kind of cut back and forth, listening to the GoPro right now, you know, this is my voice talking, you know, I'm reviewing the car. I love how the leather is on the steering wheel, blah, blah, blah. This car's fast. And then if we cut to this audio, you know, this car is pretty cool. I've owned it now almost 2 years, 35,766 miles on the clock. I've driven this over 11,000 miles.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. One thing with going back and forth between this, we're just looking to also get better audio for not having to always face the camera. Yeah. We do a lot of projects where it'd be nice if we don't have to necessarily look at the camera so you guys can see what we're doing and filming. And if you're not a subscriber, we do a lot of DIY projects on our cars and things like that.
It's funny how you're having to yell as I accelerate.
Am I?
Yeah, you're yelling.
I don't even notice it.
So you wonder if with this, I probably don't have to yell. Like right now, there's a lot of bass going on.
Yeah.
And if we kind of cut back and forth between the GoPro and this audio, there's gonna be a difference. I hope there's a difference.
I hope there's a difference.
Is this thing on?
But yeah, that'd be so much nicer to just have something that's very what would you call it? It's not bulky, it's very sleek. Yeah. Is that the right word?
Yeah, you just kind of wear it on your person, I guess.
Yeah, just like you have your phone in your pocket or something, and you can do a project or talk or have the camera, you know, 10, 15 feet from you.
Yeah.
If you have to show something, you know, like a large truck or something, if you had to get it all in frame or something.
So I wonder, yeah, with the base right now in 5th gear,
yeah,
how the GoPro compares to mine. Because right now, I doubt the GoPro really picks me up too well.
See, it changes based on that audio tone.
It automatically adjusts its audio to compensate, and
which makes your voice sound weird because it's not listening to your audio track. It's listening to the car audio track.
Yeah. So it definitely it adjusts quite a lot. So while he's getting that up, now you can obviously hear me on just the GoPro audio. Like if I'm accelerating, saying, "Oh, this car is really fast," you're probably not hearing me too well. I'm gonna have to yell and be like, "Hey guys, this car is really fun." And then Mike, he can just talk normal. All right, so we're accelerating now, and you're not gonna hear me at all.
You might hear me though. I'm just talking like normal, cruising in the GTR. It is very loud.
It is. That's valves open. So most of the time I do put it on valves closed to try to make it tone down a little bit. But even then, it still has bass to it.
If you're trying to have a fun video and you want that aspect to it, you should be able to hear your voice.
Yeah.
And hear what the GoPro's doing as well. But the cool thing is, I should be able to turn my head, Bri, be like, "Whoa, did you guys just see that?" And they'd be able to see it in the camera.
Yeah.
And I'm not talking to the camera.
Yeah, because like you said,
it moves should move with me on my
because when we do
like neck there.
projects with the car, we can walk around the car.
Yeah.
Not have to face you guys.
Yeah.
That would be pretty easy.
So hopefully you guys can hear me.
But like right now, this bass, you guys are not going to hear me too well, like accelerating up this hill.
But with this bass, you should be able to hear me with him accelerating up this hill.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So now we're just going to do a test on the motorcycle since we do a lot of videos doing moto vlogs and things like that.
There you go.
Okay, so we're recording?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to put it on the hold feature, put this in my pocket. All right, so as I'm just sitting at a stoplight here getting ready to go, I think the coolest thing about having this is that I don't need to have an external mic going from my GoPro. That's something that we have to do a lot. So you have a bunch of wires just like hanging out the side of the GoPro, and then you have to figure out how to get them to go up into your helmet, and I don't know, sometimes it's just a lot. But right now I have my face mask open. I'll go ahead and close it. It gets a little more echoey for me inside my helmet, but hopefully that means it's more clear for you to be able to understand me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an acceleration while I'm still talking, just so that way you guys can hear me, and we have some background noise, so we can see how crystal clear my talking is. Even while I'm downshifting there, I have a pretty loud exhaust. So I'll go ahead and open my face mask here. It should be pretty good audio just based on riding around in the GTR. Hopefully it's pretty good on the bike, because that's something that I miss kind of doing and getting the right microphone hooked up and everything. One final test. We always have somebody with a leaf blower or a lawnmower or something every time we're filming outside. So you guys are just hearing my normal voice. We have Brian with the device, yeah, that thing, the Sony hooked up. And so he's gonna talk, kind of do, like, I don't know, walk around the truck or something.
Well, yeah, as of now, I'm sure you guys can very easily hear that. Let's pause real quick.
You can hear that on this camera.
So right now, let's play the Sony video camera's audio. And now let's go to this audio.
And maybe kind of go away like to the back of the truck or something.
So we're playing the video with my audio and I'm talking, leaf blower over there. The Tacoma, it's blue. The GTR isn't blue. That's about all I can review from here. But yeah, it'll be interesting. And at least from here, we know that it can hear me because I'm talking with this.
Right.
And we'll see how bad that makes it all.
If I'm talking now, I wouldn't be able to film right now.
Yeah. Which
delays, we work from home, so, you know, it delays our time in being able to film.
And it's a Tuesday at 3 o'clock. Why aren't people at work? Well, I feel like it'll still hear it from here. I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe not as bad, though.
All right, now let's unbox it.
Okay. So last up, we're going to show you guys the actual device and how everything works. You can see on the one side here, we have the power and hold button, along with volume and the USB. Very easy to hook this up to your computer so you can get all the files off of it.
So that's how you open it or turn it on, by just holding that down for a quick second. You have a home back button, which I believe that is the home menu. You can go through recorded files and actually hear them on here. The actual microphone on this is pretty crappy, so it doesn't sound like it does when you plug it into your computer. I guess you can put music on here.
But at least you can hear what you recorded, just to
Yeah.
at least know that it is there.
It's just not a high quality one. Settings and whatnot. Under settings, recording settings, all sorts of different items. Honestly, we're just pretty much playing with it out of the gate. You just hit the record button right here. It starts recording. You can pause it, or whenever you are done, you can just hit stop, and that saves it. And then once you are hitting record, you can go ahead and just pull that up to hold. That way, no buttons do anything. See, which is really good if it's in your pocket, and then unhold it. Kind of like an old iPod Nano from back in the day. Younger viewers do not know what an iPod Nano is, but all this 90s kids
Oh, there's
know.
the micro SD slot.
Oh, yeah, you can
We haven't
put one of
messed
them
with
in there.
that. Honestly, I don't think we need it though. It has 150 hours of recording time.
Yeah, 4 gig built in.
So should be okay without having to mess with that. And then of course the jack ports.
That's about it for the looks of it.
Alright. So we're excited for this. It's going to be a new audio, new tool for us. We're going to have better audio for our videos, which is something that we've actually been wanting to upgrade for a while.
Yeah.
So for under $100, there are definitely several options you can choose from without breaking the bank, and that's what we love. We love getting something that costs half as less as something, and it's going to perform just the same. So
yeah, pretty good so far with the testing, and
yeah,
you can super slim. So with this in your pocket and a microphone in your shirt right here, you can kind of do stuff and get your audio, play it over your video, and have better audio.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We'll have a couple links down below so you can check these out and get the perfect one for yourself. Yep. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cue the leaf blower.
Every time.